Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another small circle time video. I hope you're enjoying these as much as I am. And if you have any requests or any kind of content that you want to see from me, feel free to let us know, and I'm more than glad to do that for you. But as of right now, why don't we get into some circle time videos, or circle time songs, sorry, and we can learn and sing and dance along together. So you know, it's fall and it's the school season, and so it's just a new season for all of us, I think. And so I was thinking that we start this off with a song about how we feel, and sometimes that can get a little bit tricky, but in expressing that, but I think that songs like this can help us. So if you're feeling any of these emotions, talk about it with someone. If you're feeling happy or sad or angry or excited, talk to somebody about it, because it's always good to talk about how you feel with a trusted adult, and I hope that this song helps you do that. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. What else do you do when you're happy? When I'm happy, I like to jump around. If you're happy and you know it, jump around. If you're happy and you know it, jump around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump around. What if you're angry? If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. And when you're sad, sometimes when I'm sad I cry, and that's okay. It's okay to cry. So we can sing about that. If you're sad and you know it, cry boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, cry boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're sad and you know it, cry boo-hoo. What else can you do if you're sad? And sometimes when I'm sad, I ask for help from my mom or my friends, my trusted mom, my trusted friends, and my trusted parents, and I'll ask for them for help, or I'll talk to them how I feel. So if you're sad and you know it, ask for help. If you're sad and you know it, ask for help. If you're sad and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're sad and you know it, ask for help. But if you're excited and you know it, shout hooray. If you're excited and you know it, shout hooray. If you're excited and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're excited and you know it, shout hooray. Great singing, everyone. So that was about our feelings. And so I'm just going to go into another topic that you guys have told us that you enjoy, which are vehicles that move. And so this is one of my favorites, and I learned a new verse a few weeks ago, if you remember it from one of my other videos. And so why don't you sing it with me and see if you can spot out the new verse. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Get ready to hold your wheel. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Ding, 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 ding. station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Ding, 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 ding. Great singing, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. I was also thinking of singing another vehicle song, one that you might already know, or I'm sure you know it. But it just talks about the parts of the bus, and talks about the horn that goes beep beep, and the windshield wipers that go side to side to clear away the water, or the doors that go open and shut. And so I thought I would sing that for you guys. But yeah, why don't you sing it with me? Great singing, everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed that. Why don't we sing a song, one of my favorite songs. It's about the body parts, and it talks about our head, which is here, and our shoulders, which are here, our knees, so your knees are on your legs, and it's the part of your leg that bends. So if you sit down or cross your legs, you can see that your knee is the one that bends, and it goes from straight from standing to bending like this, and you can see your knee. And then it talks about your feet and your toes, and so that's the part that you walk on. And so when we're singing this, I hope that you'll stand up and that you'll sing it with me, and we'll sing it a few times, and maybe a grown-up or a parent can help you with that. And I had a few verses here on my computer, but my computer locked, so sorry that you're gonna have to see my ceiling for a bit, but there we go, it's back. Sorry about that, but here we go. So why don't we sing it? And there's some fun verses here as well. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth and nose. And this is another one that you know. Hands and fingers, elbows, knees, elbows, cover your mouth. Achoo! And this might be a new one. It was a new one for me. So it's going to talk about your feet, which is what we talked about earlier. Your tummy, so that's where all your food goes. So when you swallow your food, it goes into your tummy where your belly button is. And your arms, so talking about, so these are your arms and your chin. So let's sing it. Oh, and it also talks about your shins. So if you look at your legs, remember when I talked about the bending part? It's the front of your leg. So the front of the bottom part of your leg. That might be a little complicated, but you can ask the adult around you to show that and, you know, to help you label those parts. Feet and tummy, arms and chins, arms and chins, arms and chins, feet and tummy, arms and chins, eyes, ears, mouth, and shins. So your shins are the front part of your leg, and that was a cool verse. And this one is also going to talk about your hips. So it's on your side, so where your tummy is right beside, and lower. So it's just right underneath your tummy is where your hips are, and it's on the side. And so hopefully, again, an adult can help you where that is, but here we go. Hands and fingers, legs and lips, legs and lips, legs and lips, hands and fingers, legs and lips, eyes, ears, mouth, and hips. So that was there as well. So that was right there on your hip, right on the side. So we learned a few new body parts today, which is pretty cool, and I didn't know these verses of Head and Shoulders, but I hope you enjoyed them. And this final song is also another one that I don't think I've sung before, but it's one that I've always known as a kid and one that I enjoyed, and so it's called London Bridge. And a bridge is something that you can walk on, drive on, ride your bike on, but it's usually over a like a lake or an ocean, so where boats go by, or sometimes you'll see canoes, or you can even swim, but there's a bridge and it goes over water and you can walk on it. And this one is kind of it's an interesting song because it talks about the bridge falling down, and after the second verse, after it falls down, it talks about building it back. So sometimes things break, and, you know, sometimes maybe you've broken a toy or broken something that means a lot to you, or that's really important, and you build it back and you fix it, or maybe you get an adult in your house to fix it, and you build it with different materials. And so this one talks about London Bridge is falling down. The second verse is build it up with iron and steel. So it just talks about a few different materials that you can use to build. And so I thought I would sing it because it's pretty cool. I really do enjoy the song. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Great singing, everyone. Maybe you didn't know that one, and you're still learning it, but why don't we sing it again? We can sing it a little bit faster so you get a hang of it. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with great singing, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that new song about building a bridge and just about the bridge. So, and I hope that your weeks have been well, and I will definitely see you next week on another circle time video that I have for you. Bye, everyone.